Hey everyone, this is an unboxing of the ProBoat Miss Geico 29-inch catamaran. The beam is 11 inches, hull is 29 inches, and the ESC 120 amp, Dynamite 6-pole 2000 kV motor, and Spectrum DX2E radio. Top speed, and this is what's inside the box. This is the washing fluid. So Spectrum SR410 receiver, Dynamite 2000 kV 6-pole, EC5 connectors, and the boat stand, Dynamite Marine ESC. Everything is pretty tight and snug. On the version 3 they made the battery bay slanted downwards to make it easier to access the batteries, and as you can see, it's enough room for 2 batteries if you're gonna parallel 2 batteries. No more wood, everything is fiberglass, and this is plastic.